Alright, good morning everyone. Bagong gising look. It's okay. Tuloy pa rin ang daily grind. Good morning everyone. Good morning to my daughter Laika. Yeah, it was a very beautiful market yesterday. We're gonna be talking about the market outlook. Ang ganda ng market yesterday. Market bounced again, and it's confirmation for me. It's somehow that's a confirmation of good price action. It's a higher low, and even if wala pa yung foreign buying, market is already moving, meaning yung mga local yung mga tawag diyan, mga local buying is lifting the market up already. So there's buying already. So the locals are already seeing that the prices are very beautiful. We'll talk more about the PSEi in a while. Ang picks ko ngayon, medyo mahaba, medyo marami. Alright, medyo marami because so many very good positions right now. I just want you to just look through them. These are not mainly recommendations. These are the position that have very low risk and have fundamentally good companies, low risk positions. So you want to check them out. Please do. I'll be talking about the technicals of them in a while. Before that, I'm gonna go through the comments muna. If you have if you have any questions, any comments, any recommendation, or any stocks you wanna do, you wanna have us discuss, please post it in the comments, right? So if you just watch the replay of the video, on the video, please move forward to around 25 minutes para mapunta kayo doon sa discussion mainly because this video is recorded live, right? So just go to 25 minutes onward. Alright, so let's go to your comments. Good morning, Ella Montefalco. Ikaw yung pinakauna. Good morning, Hops. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween din sa inyo. Jolie Garas, good morning, Sir Lloyd and Laika. Good morning. Dalo nga pala, guys. Thursday and Friday, there is no trading day. So today is Tuesday, and tomorrow will be most probably be profit taking, so baka pumula si stock market tomorrow. But yeah, o nga pala guys, please share the video, paki-share ang video sa Facebook walls ninyo, to your trading groups if you have any, so that mas marami pang newbies, especially newbies, will know about this program. Meron makapag-guide sa kanila in their stock market journey, right? So yun, please share the video. That's my request sa inyo guys. And also, mamaya na lang. So, Joel Garas, good morning Sir Lloyd. Ayan, good morning Joel. Jul Ganda, good morning Sir Lloyd. Pang long term ba si ISM? Mid to long term si ISM. Definitely with the changes with the future projects that it will have. Yung Clark Pampanga na project, guys, yung mga businessmen nag-aagawan sa project sa Clark. Sila RLC, sila JGS. Ang daming nag-aagawan sa RLC, sa Clark, yung bagong city sa Clark. That's a very big project. So ISM will be one of them. Yeah, definitely very good for long term. Si Dennis Uy, siya yung baby ngayon nila Henry C. Pinapautang ni BDO because ang ganda ng mga move ni Henry C. and majority of the movements are under Udena. So yeah, ISM definitely is looking good for long term. So habang maaga pa, pasok na kayo kay ISM. Right? As always, thank you and more power to your advocacy. Thank you so much, Hops. You're welcome. With the report today that Udena has grown 5 times versus 2016, ano po makikita nyo mid or long-term investors? Yeah, definitely. We were actually noon ko pa inintay si Udena, right? I was waiting for Udena to come to the stock market. I was expecting the backdoor listing kay ISM because we were thinking ISM is just the third telco, but it was something bigger, right? So mas malaki pa. Siguro kung magbibid naman si Udena dyan sa third telco, under pa rin ni ISM na, right? I don't know which company are they gonna be funding, but definitely they have the money for it, right? So definitely for mid to long term si ISM, right? Very good for investors. Hope to get your insights kay PXP. Let's check out PXP. May parang parang hindi pa talaga ready yung yung joint exploration eh. The initial climb of PXP, we're gonna be talking about PXP in a while. Nga pala guys, these are my position picks for today. I'll put this in the comments. Yan, andyan si BDO, definitely very good BDO. It's time to average down kay BDO. Win, SCC, AEV, UBP. Gumalaw na si UBP, guys. SecB, Vita, DMW, Eagle, AGI, MBT. Yan, si MBT kahapon pa yan. It's still very good. MPI, Bloom. Si Bloom kahapon din yan. DD, and also MRSGI. I'm gonna talk about the technical analysis later on. Yan. Belladonna, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Ion po, I'm gonna write that down. PXP, Ion. Right. JR, good morning. JR, GM. Sir, good morning, Sir Lloyd pala. So, GM, right. GFC, Food. Si GFC, let's talk about GFC. Si Food, Bloom, Meg, and Now. So, GFC, Food. I'm just gonna write all of these down. Pag nadaanan na natin yung iba dyan, hindi na natin i-discuss. Strong support po ang 6.9 sa PSEi. Ano po basa nyo sa galaw ng PSEi? We'll be talking about that in a while, Hops, right? Dave Guapo Daddies, good morning, Sir Lloyd, from South Korea. Annyeonghaseyo sa inyo, mga kapatid nating OFWs from South Korea. Yan. Mel Dizon, good morning, Sir Lloyd. What's your take on Win? Actually, Win is in my recommendations today. The technicals are so much better now kay Win, right? Ronilo Temporosa, good morning, Sir Lloyd and Laika. Good morning. Then Ivan Huasian, right? Good morning. Thoughts on SSI and PLC po. I did recommend SSI yesterday kasi nasa MA20 and ayun, gumalaw na si SSI. That was our entry point for SSI. So that was a confirmation of the bounce SSI kahapon. Let's talk about SSI pa rin today. Right, tinanggal ko na sa lista ko for really getting in because that was the dip yesterday na pwede nyo pasukin sana. Ngayon medyo mataas na eh. PLC. Let's talk about PLC. Bumagsak si PLC. Right, PLC. Bull and Bear. Good day, Sir Lloyd. Good morning. Then Tam Musilini. Fernan. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. CPG has good disclosure. That's why I've been recommending CPG. I know CPG has been going down, but it's holding the support, diba? Naman, diba? And CPG has good news and good news and good news lang hinahatid sa inyo ng CPG. So the fundamentals of the company, if you want to check it out yourself, is getting better and better. Kaso nga lang, sideways pa siya ngayon. So the support is the best entry kay CPG. Kakabounce nila sa support. We'll talk about CPG in a while, right? Andyan naman yung sa lista ko. Gusto ko pag-usapan si CPG, right? I know, matagal hindi pa gumagalaw talaga si CPG, right? Daran Boa, may buntag Sir Lloyd and Laika. Sir, paano makikita yung new high low na lagi nyong sinasabi? Alright, thanks. Alright, so very good question from Daran Boa. How do you see a higher low? Yung lagi kong sinasabi. Alright, so PSEi, for example, si PSEi. If you want to check out PSEi, let me remove Bollinger Bands and volume. Let me just full screen on the chart. Ayan. So, there are swings in a movement of a stock, right? Diba? So, this is a swing right here. This is a swing high and this is a swing low right here. Right? These are the lowest points of that swing. And here's another swing high and another swing low. This is the lowest point of this swing. Right? Another swing high, another swing low, and then this is the lowest point of this swing, diba? So now we just checked the lowest points. The lowest point is here and the second lowest point is here. We are seeing the low is getting higher. So that's a higher low position, right? Usually that's an uptrend, right? Yun yung indicator natin for an uptrend. The lows are getting higher. That's where the buying started. And now we can consider it bullish because, and for the short term lang, not the overall term. Overall downtrend pa siya. But on a shorter term, if you look at it for just this term right here, this stock, this position is somehow bullish because before buying commenced here, now buying was already starting at a higher level. That's a higher low right there. The low point, the low point, the lowest point. This is a lower low because the lowest point on the previous one and compared to the lowest point here, this one is lower. So this is a lower low. This low point here is higher than this one. So that's a higher low, right? This is a higher low in this area right here. So I hope I was able to answer your question. So yun. That's a higher low. Right, so Darren Boa, so yun yung sinasabi ko. Phantom Vlogging, good morning Sir Lloyd and Laika. PSEi will be retesting again. Yes, definitely. Medyo shaky siya because holidays are coming, so baka bumaba because the holidays are coming, but we're gonna be talking more about that in a while. I hope Bull, Shells DV, I'm not really sure what you mean by that. Can you please repost that? Raymond Arano, and good morning Sir Lloyd. Bloom, IRC, ISM please, and SMPH, right? Si Bloom is in my picks today, but we're gonna talk about that. IRC, ISM, and SMPH. Very good question. Kasi maganda ng market eh. Right. Thomas Consolacion, good morning sir. Any update on gaming stocks? So gaming stocks, so far, I've been reading news about gaming stocks. Okay naman yung projection nila in the coming years. Kaso nga lang ngayon, it's a very bearish market, so we can't really rely on them as of the moment. We need to see, for example, si Web, we need to see the results for their third quarter before we really can see a significant movement kay Web. Kasi overall, negative pa rin yung earnings niya. Getting better but still negative. Noel Taranco, good morning Sir Lloyd. Good morning Coach. Pakisuyo ng Win, Food and PXP. Si Win is in our picks today. Si Food, sulat natin si Food, and then sino yung last na request mo? PXP rin. Si PXP una nating pag-uusapan yan mamaya sa mga requests. Right. Rex Hardinera, good morning sir. Tags po, thanks yan. Tingnan natin si Tags. Hindi ko nire-recommend pa ngayon si Tags kasi nagsa-sideways. I'm waiting for Tags to do a retracement or a pullback before I wanna recommend it again to enter. Tags, right. Shells DV, I hope this is the start of a bull market. Let's be positive. ISM status. Peace. I hope this is the start of the bull market. It's a very good sign. Local buying is already starting. Kaso nga lang, we still need the foreign buying to really mass it up na umakyat, right? Tingnan natin ang foreign markets mamaya. Let's see what is happening. Kasi bumabagsak ang foreign markets. Usually, when that happens, yung PSEi bumabagsak rin. So, let's see. So, we're gonna talk about what strategies are we gonna take in the stock market as of the moment. Brilliant Encore, good morning Sir Lloyd, Laika, and everyone. Please, Vulcan. I'm gonna write down Vulcan. Si Vulcan guys posted negative earnings. Yun ang problema. Bakit earnings ni Vulcan? So, baka mag-pullback ito si Vulcan. We'll talk more about that in a while. Steve Gordon, good afternoon, Sir Lloyd. Para masaya, may iba lang greet. B-Core, SSI, please. Ayan, si B-Core and SSI. Pag-usapan natin sila. Si B-Core, most especially, my SSI. Ayan. You're welcome. Rolando ng Naganhon Jr. Maing buntag, Sir Lloyd. Maing buntag din. Fo Laika. Morning, Sir Lloyd, from Taiwan. Ayan. Hotaki. How tao an sa inyo. Good morning. Right. Gilbert Velis. Good morning, everyone. Please be good today, market. God bless. Right. It's okay if the market goes down. It's our opportunity to buy more, really. Right now, ang karamihan sa mga positions ko are just long-term positions. Right? Hindi ako gaano aggressive. Just taking profits sa ISM, nagtitake profits lang. Uy, si ABA, nag-bounce na kahapon. So, I just bought more kay ABA. Haven't really opened up new positions. Nag-average down ako kay BDO kahapon. Right? Not really too aggressive. Right, just a little portion lang in average down. I'm just gonna be buying more if I see more confirmation kay BDO. But definitely things are looking good. Sa JFC kaka-average down ko lang the past few days. I haven't really been that aggressive sa trading the past few days, right? Evangeline Velasco, good morning Sir Lloyd. Insights po kay PLC. Thanks. Right, we'll talk about PLC. Right, Coach, out of topic from Noel Taranco. Okay po ba ang Timson when it comes to funding and withdrawal? Hindi po ba siya nagtatagal? I haven't tried withdrawing sa Timson, but through my friends na may Timson, then so far okay naman, right? So no problem with them, no bad feedback as of the moment. Mabilis lang ang processing nila. Why? Because of the exclusivity. Napaka-konti lang ng clients nila kasi not many can afford 100K, diba? So hindi gaanong marami ang clients nila, especially sa online. So processing is very fast. So, yeah, no problem with Timson so far. Evangeline Velasco, good morning, sir. Insights po kay PLC. We'll talk about that. Kim, Talio. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. God bless po. God bless you din, Kim. Jomar Balangge. Po meron kay X? Wala akong makitang news, pero bakit tumataas? Yan. Walang forever sa downtrend, right? Walang forever sa X. Right? Pa-downtrend sa X na napakahaba. So for X is showing us good projects naman. Kaso nga lang cryptocurrency yung inaatupag niya ngayon. Kaya hindi ko gaano nagugustuhan si X. But yeah, there are instances that X will bounce, right? But overall, I have bias fundamentals kasi. So that's why you haven't been seeing X lately sa sa picks ko. Right? Especially in this bearish market, walang gaanong naniniwala dyan, right? Raymond Arano, paano po kaya makasali sa Facebook page niyo, sir? Right? The Billionaires Club is, if you wanna join the Facebook page, my Facebook page, andyan yan sa ang FB group natin, just go to the video description. May link dyan na sinasabi FB group. Yes. For my Facebook page, you just look for Financial Freedom 101 in Facebook and you're gonna see my face there. Kung may nakita kayong mukha ko, yun. Just like my page if you wanna check that out. If you mean the Facebook group, andyan yung link ng Facebook group sa description ng video, nasa baba, right? Rodrigo Carlos, good morning. John Paul Rodriguez, insights po about IRC. Thanks po. Let's talk about IRC in a while. Zion Miguel, good morning. Sir, TBGI, OPM, OV, and IRC. And let's check these out. In OV and IRC, si OPM. Uy, ito yung mga cash cows ko. Right, right, very good. Arvin Garcia, hello, Sir Lloyd. I'm a new subscriber. I'm glad I found your channel. Thank you so much, Arvin. Thank you for subscribing. And guys, this is the reason why I ask you to share the video. Paki-share ang video sa Facebook walls ninyo para yung mga newbies malaman na there are programs like this which will help them in their stock market journey. Right? Paki-share ang video. Pala guys, there is a way to support. If you want to support the channel, if gusto niyo akong bigyan ng tip for the service, hindi naman sa pilitan. But if you want to, meron diyang super chat sa chat room natin. It's the $ beside the smiley. That's called the super chat. If you want to donate to the channel, help the cause of Financial Freedom 101, you can do that. Any amount will do. Any amount will be greatly appreciated. It will go a long way, right? Mark Barbanta, good morning, Sir Lloyd. What's your take on Primex? Slowly moving up. I've been placing Primex in my watch list lately, right? So Primex, we'll talk about Primex in a while, right? Sulat ko lang si Primex, ha? PRMX. Right, dalawang beses nang ginawa ni Primex yung price action niya, right? We'll talk about Primex more in a bit, right? Asa na ako? Yun, from Mark Mabanta. Ers Reyes, good AM, Sir Lloyd. ATN, confirm na po ba ang bounce? Yes, we'll talk about ATN in a bit. Sunny Maldo, kailangan po ba ng bank account bago makapag-trade sa stock? You don't really need a bank account if you wanna start trading in the in stock market, right? For example, si 2Trade Asia, you can just deposit on their accounts, right? And then just check the email. With withdrawal, it will be best na may bank account kayo, mas madali if ipa-bank transfer nyo lang. Pwede naman nilang ibigay sa iyo as cheque if you prefer that kung wala kayo talaga kayong bangko, right? So you don't really need a bank account to make to sign up and buy stocks, right? So yun, that's to answer Sunny Maldo. Alright, Darren Bo, very good, Sunny Maldo. So this tells me that Sunny Maldo is just a newbie, right? That's good that more Filipinos are getting more curious about the stock market, diba? Sunny Maldo, welcome to the stock market. Daran Boa, thank you, Sir Lloyd, sa higher low answer. Cheers, you're welcome. Raquel Necesito, good morning, Sir Lloyd. And Laika, good morning then. Erica Liwag, Sir, may chance pa CPG kung gagalaw siya mga 56 or 1 peso, 2 peso na marating sa chart? May history siya na halos 3 pesos. Yes, definitely, with the fundamentals of CPG right now, I think it's gonna be very good in the future. Kaya ko nire-recommend yan. ATN, please. Thanks from Raquel Necesito. Right, we'll talk about that in a while. Debo Del Santos. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Good morning then. G. Rams Benedict. Sir, SMPH, SECB, and VLL. Si SMPH, andyan na si SECB. Nasa picks ko today. Right, kahapon pa yan na si SECB nasa picks. Gumalaw siya pero konti lang. We'll talk more about that in a while. TJ Vlogs. Good morning, sir. And like Meg MRC. And Meg and MRC, BD on tags yan. So, let ko si Meg, yung iba andyan na eh. Meg. Alright. So, PTNT guys, ang daming good news ni PTNT. So, yun. Yun yung na-hype nila si MRC. But si MRC, nagdo-doji lang, hindi gumagalaw. So, let's see if that will be good. I will talk about the chart in a while. It's 8:37. We still have 3 minutes to read the comments. Aaron Villagomez, bro, nagde-deposit ka na ba ng totoong pera sa eToro? Yes, I am. Speaking of eToro, I want to share to you my eToro portfolio. Right. Let me go to my eToro. Yes. So, I am keeping my eToro profile public, right? This is my real portfolio. If you can see here, this says real, right? Real, and then you can go for virtual. So, real, just go, this is my portfolio right now. These are my open positions. Medyo lugi ako kay Bitcoin. Ang tagal gumalaw ni Bitcoin. Grabe. So, maybe if I'm gonna be doing a break even kay Bitcoin, lalabas na lang ako. Kay gold, we're already earning. So, overall, -8. Ayan. So, this is my real money. Right? Nakapag-deposit na ako sa real money sa eToro. For those who are here and you're curious what eToro is a broker sa worldwide market. Worldwide market ang pwede nyo mabili sa eToro. So if you wanna trade in the worldwide market, you can use eToro. But I am recommending eToro for those who really don't have the time to trade and don't know how to trade. Check out eToro because you can copy trade. Whatever I do in my port, whatever percentage I earn or loss, yun yung kikitain na yun rin mangyayari sa port ninyo. So I'm still working my way through the international market. Didn't know that gold is ang bagal gumalaw ng mga ito ng Bitcoin and gold. Wasn't expecting this anyways, but that's okay because the worldwide market is falling kaya mabagal talaga gumalaw ngayon. But you can copy trade me or other good traders in the world. Their portfolios are public. Their statistics are set as public. So makikita niyo dito for example, ako, this is my statistic. Last trading days -0.10% ako, last 12 months -24. You can go to stats, you can check out my stats. Makikita niyo October medyo red ang October. September we were earning at around, so medyo tabla lang for the meantime, right? So you can see my stats. There are other people's out there too. If you want to check them out, makikita niyo stats nila. If you like their trading, you can copy trade them. That's how easy eToro is. Right? So, please create an eToro account using my link if you are interested in creating an eToro account. Yung link nasa video description. That will help me in return if you create an account using my link. Right? Crimson Natic, good morning Sir Lloyd. CPG, FB, thanks po. Yan, si FB guys. We'll talk about FB in a while. That was our topic yesterday. Asan na yan? Kaya Kudia IRC, yes, we'll talk about IRC in a while. Josephine Marcelo, good morning. How about MRC and APX, please? Yeah, let's check out APX in a bit. Right, guys, give me 1 second. I'm gonna be turning on my electric fan kasi ang init na. Right, 1 moment, please. Alright, so I'm back. Medyo mainit yung room eh. Anyways, let's continue. It's already 8:41. So, Roland, Jamela, good morning, sir. X, please. Yan, sulat natin yan. LK Scooter Diary, good morning, sir. May pag-asa ba si ISM tumaas? Pang long-term po ba ito? We'll talk about that, right? So, I'll stop with LK Scooter Diary muna, right? If we still have time in a while, I'm gonna go back to the comments. Right? Shells DV Coach, please say hi to my daughter Roxanne and Kyla. Roxanne and Kyla, good morning sa inyo. Hi sa inyo dyan. Right? Sa mga beautiful daughters ni Shells DV, and good morning sa inyo. JC Clyde Moments, Ohio Sir Lord, Ohio gozaimasu. Right? Yan. So, si Mel San, thank you so much for the super chat. This is a very big help. Thank you so much for that. Greatly appreciated. Right. So let's continue. Let's start with the topic today. It's our PSEi outlook. What are we expecting in PSEi the coming days? So let me open up PSEi really quick. And so this is the chart of PSEi right now. There we go. Yan. So PSEi. I say this is a good position for PSEi. Number one is napakababa niya na. How do we know if napakababa niya na? This was the lowest it made this was the lowest point before no nangyari ang downtrend, and then nag-recover ang market shortly after that. Did this reversal right here, and then nag-sideways, and then failed the support and did the low again. So now we are at that area when the market recovered. So we're at that area, so not bad. Right, we're recovering at that area. That's one point. Second point is, look at this right here. The lower points, the lower positions right here, though pababa, yan, tanggalin ko lang ang Bollinger Band. Right, though pababa siya, ang presyo, RSI is already going up. At this point, it was going down. RSI is going up. That's a bullish divergence right there with RSI. So that's a bullish signal right there. And now we're seeing higher lows, and we have that confirmation that happened yesterday. So that's a very good sign for PSEi. Right? So andaming signals, and here we have an engulfing pattern. When that happens, usually the market starts to recover, and there it is. It did happen here, kaso nga lang this one failed, right? And then there it is, the recovery of the market. So is the market gonna go up anytime soon? I'm not sure. We can't really tell. Why? Because the market sadly is very dependent with foreign investors, and we are not seeing foreign investors coming in yet. Mas marami pang investors who are selling out compared to buying. But somehow, we're already recovering. We're at that point where even if there are no foreign buyers, the market is already stabilizing. So that's a very good sign. So it's good that it's stabilizing. So get in at supports as much as you can, so that when foreign buying comes in, you will be at a very good position. So whenever you see the support, just average down, especially on your long-term picks, right? Overall strategy, stay light, right? Stay light meaning don't put so much money in your positions as of the moment, right? Because the market is shaky. We're not out of the woods yet. We don't know if it's gonna go up really, right? We have a resistance right here that we don't know yet if it's gonna be passed on. I mean, baka hindi tayo makalusot niyan. It will break out. So, we don't really know what will happen in the market yet. So, just stay light. Just keep your money. Save up your money. Alam ko marapit na ang 13th month ninyo, kaya excited na kayo. So, keep your 13th month pay for now. Wait for the market to go up, right? You know this term already in the stock market. You know this line. The trend is your friend, right? The trend is your friend in the stock market. So, right now, we are on a sideways trend. Medyo on an upward trend na, but we can't really know for sure because we don't have that volume yet. So, right now, I consider this as a sideways trend. This is a good sideways movement right here. Overall, that's a good support area right there. So, sideways pa lang tayo. Sideways trend is not your friend. Ang best friend mo sa stock market is an uptrend. So, let's wait for the uptrend before we want to be aggressive. So, what you can do is just test out the supports, because maybe you wanna catch the bottoms, right? There's a strategy that's called bottom fishing. There are people who wants to catch the bottom of a stock kasi mas malaki yung kikitain nila. That's okay, especially in a bullish market. But on a bearish market, I tell you guys, the technical analysis has a really low hold on the movement. So, probability is really lower, and we're dealing with probability when it comes to trading. So, yun lang. You have to put that in mind. So, maraming students nagsasabi sa akin, Sir Lloyd, okay na mapasukin to. Technical analysis says yes. That's why ang daming magandang technical analysis ngayon. But then again, even if the technical analysis is good but the market is bearish, maliit lang ang chance na masusunod yung technicals na yan. Right? So, that's why there is really no guarantee when it comes to technicals. Even in fundamentals, kahit mga fundamentally good companies, doing well, pero yun nga lang, bearish yung market, kaya bumabagsak yung stocks nila. But the intrinsic value of your company is still okay. Look at what you call this, BDO. Kahit bumabagsak ang stock price niya, the company is still doing well, di ba? So, yan. Stay light. If you need to take profits, yung nangyari kay ISM last week, if you need to take profits, take your profits. Huwag muna kayo mag-hold ng matagal. Right? Just sell half at the very least. Right? So, yan yung strategy natin sa PSEi. Right? Hopefully, it does well. Ang meron akong concern lang, it's because long weekends, baka mag-take profit sa mga tao because of the long weekends ngayon at bukas. So, we don't know, baka magpula si stock market ngayon. I think it's gonna be red today. Yun lang yung kutob ko. Right? But, if ever mag-green siya, these are the good picks that I have found today. Right? We're gonna be talking about technical analysis now on the position picks that I have. First of all, I wanna check out, kamustahin muna natin yung mga yung mga fundamentally based mga picks ko, mid to long term. Sila PHA, kamusta sa PHA? PHA is forming a support right there. So that's very good for PHA. Fundamentals of the company is getting better. So much better now. And look at the price. It's a very cheap as of the moment. Eto, nag-stabilize na nga yung support niya na wala pang magagandang news. Ngayon pa kaya na mayroon magagandang news, right? It's just that the market is bearish. Movements are not sustaining that much. Kaya nagsa-sideways pa siya ngayon. Buy on the dips for PHA. CPG, right? Just check out the disclosures of CPG. You can see their good news after good news after good news. Right? Inintay ko rin yung third quarter earnings niya. But overall, CPG has been showing us very solid projects for the future. So definitely check out CPG. Buy on dips, nasa support siya. This is a good support right here. Pwede ninyong, what do you call this? You can test that out. Charles Smith, just subscribe. Thank you so much. It's one zombie for you. Right, so, asan ako? CPG. MRC nagdodoji ng dalawang beses. There are very many good news kay PTT right now. So, you might want to check out this support. This is a good support right here. RSI at that point is higher than the previous RSI at that price right there. So, sideways ang price. RSI is going up. So, that's a divergence right there. That's a bullish signal. So, you can test out this support. Technical analysis says it's a go. Konting ingat. This is bottom fishing. This is a double bottom position. Medyo short term na double bottom. You're working against a downtrend as of the moment. So, if you want to test out the support and if you're here just for trading, test out the support. Where is the best time to test out MRC, diba? With the speculation and everything, with the hype, where's the best time to test MRC? This position right here. So, pag nag-green yan, you can test it out. If it fails, then just get out. Right? Mag-test buy lang kayo dyan. Test buy meaning huwag malaking pera ilalagay nyo muna dyan. Kasi, sideways pa naman siya. Right? Sideways pa naman siya. Mamaya na kayo maglagay ng malaking pera pag uptrend na yan. Si MRC. Right? MRC, si OR naman, nag-bounce yesterday. That's a higher position. So that's good for OR. This is a stabilization of of OR. This is very good, right? For OR, these are the dips I want you to test out. These are the dips you want to buy OR, right? So kakadip lang ni OR. Fundamentals of OR are getting better and better, right? It's now a holdings company, so it is so much bigger now. Ang daming projects ni OR sa energy, sa mining. Meron silang bagong mining. I just can't shell it out yet kasi confidential pa. All the details are confidential as of the moment. Ang masasabi ko lang sa inyo, magbodega lang muna kayo kay OR. Not too much money in it, right? Baka matulog ang pera nyo. Hindi natin alam kailan lalabas pa yung disclosure because they're still processing everything, right? Mining is a very sensitive matter, so what I can tell you is OR is one of the best mining companies out there na sumusunod talaga sa guidelines ng government, right? So yeah, OR definitely has very good fundamentals. I'm recommending OR for longer term. So these are the moments you want to buy. That's a higher low position. So that's a bullish that's a good price action movement right there for OR. CLI, fundamentals of the company is good. Get in at the support as much as you can dito sa support nito. That's a very solid support right there. Diyan yung pasukin yan. Ang ganda ng future ni CLI. Also Tugs, right? Si Tugs, maraming projects si Tugs na coming. Hindi ko lang nire-recommend ngayon si Tugs. Why? Because we're seeing a flag pattern. I'm just waiting for Tugs to break out before you want to get in. So if you want to get in Tugs, wait for the breakout, right? Antayin nyo yung breakout so that you have an entry for Tugs, right? So, but definitely Tugs is something you want to check out. Abangan nyo yan, yung galaw ni Tugs na yan. RLC, still recommending RLC. Ang daming magagandang ginagawa ni RLC ngayon. Especially sa Clark, may binili si RLC doon. If you just basta mamaya na lang. No further disclosures yet, but RLC, yes, for long term, overall, it's a very good price right now and napakamura niya pa, right? We just are seeing resistance right here. But yun, look for an entry point. Hanap kayo ng dips ni RLC. Just buy the dips and then pag bumabayan and mag-bounce dyan, yung pasukin si RLC. Next up is ATN, especially for ATN for longer term, right? Si ATN, yes, this is a good price action right there. So ATN, very solid support already at this area. We have a higher low support here, confirmations of bounces right there. So alam, we're very near resistance as much as possible. So nothing, hindi pa kailangan maging aggressive, especially in a bearish market. Get in at near support as much as you can. Anyways, wala pa naman yung momentum But momentum is starting to arrive na. Malapit na tayo sa 50. Pag lumagpas ng 50 ito, actually lumagpas na. So we have momentum already. So yeah, you look for your position kay ATN. Anyways, ATN, ang sinasabi ko sa ATN is this is for long term. If you see a dip, pwede kayong pumasok nito. This is for investment purposes. Pasok dito. If ever it goes down, then you should be happy. Just buy more if it goes down, right? Yun yung tinuturo ko. I've been saying that about ATN for how many weeks now, right? ATN has been sustaining even on a bearish market. Nagsusustain yung sideways movement niya. Long term si ATN, right? 5 to 10 years from now, tingnan niyo yan sa ATN. Sana nasa stocks pa ako niyan. I think I will be, pero hindi na ako magte-trader more or less dyan. Right, so ATN definitely is a buy pa rin. Position picks for today, BDO. Number 1 si BDO. Very good news for, ito yung inaabangan ko sa inyo, di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo, we're just waiting for the third quarter earnings ng mga, especially blue chips. And we will, if the third quarter earnings are good, we are gonna be seeing most probably a reversal of the market. BDO, S&PH has been showing us good signs. BDO, very good numbers for third quarter despite the inflation. So that should invite investors. And look at that right there. Nag-bounce na siya kahapon. Very good bounce by BDO yesterday. That's a confirmation of a bounce. That's a higher low, so most probably an uptrend, 'di ba? For me, that's a buy. This is the time to average down kung naipit mo kayo sa BDO. Dami ko kasi natatanggap na nasasaktan sila kay BDO. This is your opportunity to average down. Nag-average down na ako kahapon, right? So it's still looking good, right? BDO is this is a very good position for BDO already, right? Look at this right here. The prices are going down, but RSI is going up, so that's a bullish movement right there. So BDO, definitely a buy at that point. Continue tayo sa mga requests sa picks natin. Win naman, si Win, good price action right here. At this point right here, ang prices niya pababa, sideways, but RSI is going up. So we have a, we have a good bullish signals for Win. And projections ni Win, maganda naman So we are at that level na mura na si Win. Right? It did go up at this point right here when we said that Win has good projections. And we're at that levels already. And then nagsa-sideways na naman si Win. And then you have a support right here. If you want to get in Win, use this as your support. And then buy as long as that support holds. Right? I can't assure you that it will win. But if ever it fails, mag-cut loss lang kayo. Right? SCC, right? After this Bollinger Band trigger, usually pag nagtitrigger, nagko-close above the Bollinger Bands, those are significant moves. Where do you wait for it? MA20. And look at that. Confirmation buying at MA20. Use MA20 as your support. This is your entry point for SCC. Right? Baka masayang yung position. That's a confirmation of an uptrend of a reversal for SCC. Right? So, SCC, definitely a buy already for me. SCC, AEV, very low risk position as of the moment. Sideways movement to support niya, but RSI is going up already, and we have a confirmation yesterday for AEV. I'm recommending AEV. Buy as long as this support holds for AEV. Right, we have a support right there. So buy as long as that support holds for AEV. Next up is UBP. I did recommend UBP for how many days now, and ayan, gumalaw na, nag-Bollinger Band trigger na. That's the calm before the storm, guys. And then ayan, kaso nga lang walang volume yung breakout niya. So yeah, you can still test this out. Overall, very low risk pa rin naman eh. So, kulang lang ng volume, but this is just 1.81% away from the support. Still very low risk. That's a good signal right there. Usually for me, technical analysis, that's a good signal. Yan. Gumalaw na siya. So, I'm still recommending UBP. Very low risk still as of the moment. Right? UBP, SECB. And si SECB, gumalaw kahapon, pero konti lang. Right? Did cross MA20 yesterday. So those usually are very good price action movements. This is a higher low right here, so that's a good sign for SECB. You can use this as your support, and then yan yung gagamitin mong support, and then just cut loss below that if ever you need to cut your losses. SECB Vita, right? I checked out Vita today. Right, si Vita, may confirmation siya. Bakit di ko tinanggal si Vita? I tried to lessen my list today. Right? Si Vita is showing us slow. The downtrend is slowing down. Right, for Vita, it's starting to give us a price action na sideways. Right. Did recommend this because of this. This is bottom picking. I wanna tanggalin ko lang si Vita, but if you're looking at Vita, look at this right here. Presyo niya is pababa. Let me remove Bollinger Band para mas maklaro nyo. Right. So let me let me put the price action right there. So presyo niya, buying is going down, but we have a divergence right here. Ilang beses na nangyayari to, guys, ha. When I saw this, ilang beses na nanalo yan. Ang dami nating na-miss na mga opportunities because of these positions right here. Diba? So, I'm seeing this, and then we have a confirmation right here. You can use this area as your support for Vita if you want to test that out. If tinitignan nyo si Vita. Right? So, that's a good position for me para kay Vita. Hopefully, maganda yung earnings na third quarter ni Vita. The reason why Vita fell down, because it was because the second quarter niya is negative 99%. So, that was a very big dip after that. So, Vita, DMW, ito, one of my very favorite stocks. DMW, good price action already. We're seeing higher low, good price action as of yesterday, right? And it has a decent volume, so that's a higher support right there. You can use this as your primary support. Napakaliit pa rin ng risk ninyo if you want to enter that, negative 1.4. Overall major support niya is negative 3% away from the support number 1. So that's a good position. Let me just double check your chats if you have any comments. Good morning, watching from Dubai, from Michael Masagka. All right. Very good. So, yan. L Scooter Dyer, tsaka paano po pumasok sa Discord Billionaires Club po? Di ako marunong mag-add po. Right? LK Scooter has a question, paano daw pumasok sa Discord group? Right? I just want to introduce to you the Discord group of the Billionaires Club. This is a very good group for you guys. Right? Just first, download Discord. All you need to do is look for Discord, download Discord, and once you're in Discord, go to the video description dito. Sa video description natin, look for the Discord group. May invitation link dyan. Just open that link in your browser, and then you can get in to the Discord group right away. You have to sign in first, of course. Sign in Discord first, and then use the link that I have. Click on it, and then you will be able to join the Discord group. Right. The Discord group is very helpful. This is the main chat room sa mga newbies ito. These are pinagbabawal ko. Maraming nagtatampo sa akin kasi pinapagalitan ko dito. But this is for the sake of the newbies. Dito, this chat room will be for the newbies. Dito yung mga kabalbalan ng mga tao. Hindi natin maiiwasan makukulit ang mga Pinoy. So I made a different chat room, non-business related. Dito yung mas mga kukulit at medyo borderline hyping. Andito yung mga tao dyan, right? So, and mga government issues, hindi natin maiiwasan yung mga tao dyan. We need to keep the community healthy then. So, we let them talk here basta wala lang kabastusan and everything. So, this is the room for non-business related. The main is here, right? So, this is for the newbies. This is very helpful for you guys. Kagandahan nito is meron tayong mga guides, charting discussions for newbies. If you need someone to help you, just go to charting discussions and request lang kayo. The good traders here will help you. Right? Meron ditong PSEi daily updates. So, while you're trading, yan, makikita nyo updates. Yan. So, meron tayong mga updates na real-time din. Right? So, at least wala kayong ma-miss. Right? So, that's the chat room. All you need to do is download Discord and go to the link. Right? So, let's continue. Sa mga picks natin, DMW, right there. Eagle, right? Eagle is showing us good signs right now, right? So Eagle is one of the build companies na who's what do you call this, mga who's been taking advantage of the build program of the government. So right now we're seeing good price action, engulfing patterns, and higher low. We have a support right here for Eagle. So you might want to check this out. Ang ganda na position ngayon ni Eagle, right? So napakaganda na presyo, right, for Eagle Cement. Eagle, check it out. AGI, right? AGI, right? So AGI, good price action. We have a support right here. RSI starting to go up even if the prices are sideways. So that's a good signal for AGI. That means nagsa-solidify na yung support niya. And that's a good support you can test out. And kung gusto niyo ng confirmation, these are 2 confirmations for me already. Right? So AGI, definitely good to start with kung gusto niyo ng mga position trades. MBT, right? MB3 Metrobank. I did tell you yesterday na I have a feeling mag-green si Metrobank because of the price action. And nag-green nga, right? Kaso nga lang, maliit lang. But that's a good confirmation. This is the confirmation you're looking for MBT. Get in MBT. That's a very good position if you want to check it out. MPI, good price action. This is good for MPI already. The prices are RSI starting to pick up. So that's momentum for MPI. And this is a good price for MPI. Definitely good for long term. I'm recommending MPI now. You can test that support if you want to. MPI is a good company. Bloom. Si Bloom, nirecommend ko to kahapon. I did say that most probably Bloom was gonna be bouncing because of this support right there. And then, even though the sideways support is sideways, yung RSI niya pataas. Right? Pataas na. So, that's a bullish signal. And there it is. Good nag-green si Bloom, very healthy volume. So that should be a good signal for Bloom. So hindi pa huli yung lahat. Buti swerte natin, hindi gaano mataas ginalaw ni Bloom, but that's a good confirmation for Bloom. Right? So Bloom is there. DD is now lying at the MA20, right? Nasa MA20 si DD and it's starting to form a support at MA20. Buy as long as this support holds for MA20. Very good price action right there after clipping the Bollinger Band. So that's the higher low we're waiting for. This is the retracement. That's the buy area again for DD. Remember, I recommended DD here. Nirecommend ko si DD dito because of the RSI. Pataas na yung RSI niya. So, it did go up. And now, it's the retracement. This is the retracement we're looking for. So, that's your second entry for DD. Pwede nyo itest niya ulit dyan si DD. MRSGI, we discussed about this yesterday. Still forming a good support right there, but as long as the support holds. So, it's 904. I'm gonna go now to your request. Again, guys, if you wanna support the channel, meron tayong super chat dyan. If you want to, you can also share the video. Kahit yan lang, diba, na support sa channel. Alright, at this point, we want to thank our sponsor, 2Trade Asia. Check out 2Trade Asia at 2tradeasia.com. Kaso nga lang, hindi ko na set up yung 2Trade Asia pala na logo. Sorry, 2Trade Asia. Pasensya na. Right, image. Ayan, si 2Trade Asia. And label. Ayan, 2Trade Asia is back. Ayan, thank you so much 2Trade Asia for helping us. 2Trade Asia, check out 2Trade Asia, 2tradeasia.com. If you're looking for a broker pa, naghahanap pa kayo ng broker, which is fast, reliable, and then especially will let you trade anytime, anywhere. Maganda si 2Trade Asia kasi meron siyang mobile app, merong watcher option yung mobile app nila. Especially for people who are working outside. Wala sa PC. Kung wala kayo sa computer nyo, go mobile. You can trade anytime, anywhere with 2Trade Asia. Workshop. Guys, before I continue, may oras pa naman. 9:06 Friday and Saturday, 8 p.m. I have a workshop. It's a paid workshop. It's very cheap. I tell you, it's the cheapest workshop out there. I did design the price to be a win-win situation lang para sa mga tao. Parang bumili lang kayo ng libro. Right? I know you can learn trading for free, basically. Yung kahit online lang na mga or mga libro, hanap kayo ng mga PDFs. Yes, you can learn that. That's the way I learned stock market. Hindi ako nag-enroll ng workshop dati kasi when I started the stock market before, long time ago, napakamahal ng workshop. So I had really no choice. I had to learn it myself. Yes, that's true. You can learn the stock market without spending on workshops. But you have to respect the learning curve. Right? It will take you a while to really learn the stock market, and it will take you discipline na wag mo nang gagamitin ang pera niyo. Right? So, yung oras na yan, it will take time. That's called the learning curve. Time and money that you will be spending to learn how to trade. You can do that if you, but you have to respect the learning curve. There will be a learning curve. Now, there are people out there who wants to shorten that learning curve. These are the wise people, yung mga mayayaman, kaya bumibili ng libro, kumukuha ng mga consultants, is because they want to shorten their learning curve. If you're wise like them, if you want to shorten your learning curve, just put a little investment and learn how to trade. I'm gonna teach you all you need to become a good trader. This is a very good workshop. Check out the reviews of the students andun sa page ko sa Facebook, Financial Freedom 101. Go to the ratings, makikita ninyo doon yung mga sinasabi ng students. You can shorten your your learning curve. And especially now na paparating na ang bullish market, once the market becomes bullish and you're already ready, you can take advantage of it. Hindi yung bullish na ang market pero nag-aaral parang kayo, natatalo kayo sa bullish market, right? It's already a bullish market, so take full advantage of the bullish market by entering the bullish market equipped with the knowledge already. So this is your good opportunity for you guys. Send me a message if you want to join the workshop, right? Asan ako? Requests ng mga tao. Number 1 is PXP. Let's check out PXP. Maraming drama ngayon sa PXP, maraming galaw. Look at that right there, nang pullback si PXP. Look at that, near MA20 nagba-bounce, right? If you are seeing this, that was the best entry point kay PXP, right? Maybe it's gonna go down. Kung bababa man yan, that's good. Kung hindi na yun bababa, wag nyo nang habulin. This was the best entry point for PXP. Dito yung pinakamaliit na risk ninyo, very near support already. You can use, I love MA20. If you entered here, you're very near MA20 already. That's the best opportunity to get in PXP. Right now, it's out of position, nasa taas pa. Kung swertehin man tayo, baka bumaba pa siya malapit sa MA20. That's our entry point. Right, so what is happening to PXP? Si PXP, pumasok si Dennis Uy. Why did it drop yesterday? Nag-drop siya kahapon kasi there was news na hindi pa talaga ready si President Xi Jinping with the joint exploration. Yeah. So that's what caused PXP's drop. Right? May bad news di ba? So yung mga executives nawawalan, wala pa talagang feel na mangyayari yung joint exploration. They're hopeful but somehow also pessimistic. But anyways, yan, the growth kasi ng PXP was because of that joint exploration, right? So medyo mahal na si PXP for me. But if you still want to get in PXP, get in MA20 as much as you can, right? Get in near MA20 as much as you can for PXP. At least maliit ang maliit ang risk niyo and may base kayo. Wala kayong base dyan pag papasok kayo sa taas Ionics, right? Ionics, I am not seeing any support yet that is holding, but we have this right here. This is a good RSI movement for Ionics. So yeah, this is something good for Ionics, and it's at its cheapest as of the moment. Napakamura na ni Ionics for how many years? This was the price niya. This is 2017. This is last year pala, right? So it's reaching its price last year. Right, Ionics have been showing us good numbers for this year. So definitely is a good company for this year. But look at the price. Parehas siya ng presyo niya last year when it was growing, di ba? So yeah, this is something you want to test out kay Ionics. Very good question. Very good question for Ionics. I just want you to wait for a bounce. If we can see a higher low bounce right there, we can test that support out. But let's wait for Ionics to make a support before we wanna get in, right? Antayin natin yung confirmation, baka mag-support siya dito before you really wanna get in Ionics. Right, that's for Ion. JFC, guys, si JFC, green na naman yesterday. Nag-break even lang siya for one day. But, yeah, definitely good for JFC. If you still wanna get in JFC, just get in JFC. Overall, mura pa naman yun si JFC, right? You want to get in on a breakout or at MA20 as much as possible. Look at that. MA20 bounce. My favorite MAs. That's why I love MA20. Right? JFC, still shaky as of the moment, but if you're in it for the long term, just get in right away. Right? Kung trading ang purpose nyo dyan, that's out of position. Malapit tayo sa resistance. Right? Food. Right? Nakapagod magsalita ng isang oras. Food. Ayan, si food showing us higher low. So this is good for food, right? I did check it out yesterday. Did recommend food. We have that confirmation bounce. Kaso nga lang pumula si food. Removed it for today because I'm waiting for another green kay food before I want to recommend it again. But overall, food has a very good projection. Right? So food is okay. Going back to the list, just wait for the bounce lang kay food, okay? Next up is Bloom. Yeah, we talked about Bloom already. Next is Meg. Right, so Mega World. Yun. Mega World, look at that. MA20 bounce. That will be our support. Undecided it's starting to form a resistance right here. It's feeling at that point. And we have a resistance right here. So medyo pangit yung risk to reward ratio natin. So Mega World, I'd rather wait for a breakout before I want to get in Mega World kasi it's nearing resistance na. I'm not recommending a buy for Meg for the short term. On the long term though, long term, Meg is yes, definitely a buy. Very good second quarter earnings. First quarter, very good. For last year, it did well. So napakaganda ng movement ni for the company. We're just waiting for the third quarter earnings. Pag may third quarter earnings niyan, maghanap na kayo ng base. Dito wala tayong base. You can use a breakout para at least may base kayo. Okay, Meg. Whew. Now, napapagod ako magsalita ngayon na. Masyado mabilis siguro. Anyways, now, now, we're working against a downtrend, so I'm not recommending now. Malapit siya mag-support, so maybe it will confirm that support again. But we're not yet there. Just wait for the bounce na lang talaga if you really want to test out now. You're working against a downtrend, so I don't want to recommend now as of the moment. So, continuous muna kayo now. We don't have good price action as the moment. SSI, si SSI, really good for longer term. Kaka-bounce niya lang sa MA20. Look at that bounce. Perfect bounce at MA20. This is, again, the reason why I love MA20. Once, twice. So, 3 times siya nag-bounce sa MA20. That's a good confirmation at MA20. Get in near MA20 as much as you can. Cut loss below MA20. Medyo na missed opportunity na yan. Gumalaw na yan kahapon. Kahapon, I did recommend SSI at that MA20 bounce. Right? So, medyo shaky na si SSI ngayon, pasukin. PLC, and si PLC bumagsak pa I'm not seeing any good action muna kay PLC, so I'd rather stay away from PLC for now. Right, konting ingat lang muna kay PLC. Iwas lang muna. But definitely good fundamentals for that company. If ipit kayo dyan, just hold it and then just average down if you want to in the future. Bearish ang market Right, so but right now, if you haven't gotten in yet, I don't want to recommend yet. Let's see let's look for further data in the future movements. Tingnan natin kung ihinog ba yan si PLC. But right now, hilaw pa yan. Ito, IRC, and tatanong ang mga tao kay IRC, pwede ba pasukin? We are always expecting retracements after strong movements like this. So itong mga pula na ito, these are normal. Hindi nyo naman pwedeng i-expect na laging taas yan. Right? IRC, I did recommend IRC at around this area pa. We did one full episode about IRC, diba? So I did recommend it a buy at this area right here, and lumipad na. Yun ang problema is we really, people want to chase floating stocks. Don't do that. Have the discipline to not do that. Right? Kay IRC, yes, you can do a breakout strategy. Nag-breakout naman siya sa sideways trend niya. If it holds, if may green yan, you can use a breakout strategy. But I don't like breakouts on a bearish market. I'd rather wait for it to really hit the MA20. Look at that. MA20 again. MA20, perfect bounce at MA20. And then, nag-recover siya. So, this is the best area to wait for it. Let's wait for the retracement, and then around dito MA20 niya, maybe that's the point that we can get in IRC again. Right now, it's doing a pullback. Just wait for the retracement before you want to get in IRC. Not yet. Wag masyadong what do you call this? Wag masyadong hot sa pagpasok, right? Same with ISM, with ISM. May nagtatanong sa akin, Sir Lloyd, pwede na ba mag-buy more kay ISM? Wait for the bounce. Always wait for the bounce. Layo-layo pa ng MA20. Yes, magandang projection yan, but it will take time for stock to move. So, antayin nyo lang yung perfect entry before you wanna get in. Dito si ISM, look at this right here. It made an ascending triangle dito sa baba. Yan. So, when it did the breakout there sa baba, that was a perfect entry point. Nakapasok sana kayo dyan. But right now, it's at a very shaky position. I don't want you to chase that there. Wait for the retracement before you want to get in ISM. Don't worry. Your time to get in will come. Right? Due diligence lang. Upuan nyo lang muna yan. Right? Antayin nyo yung perfect opportunity. Right? SM, right? SM, yeah, the numbers of SM are doing good, right? It's stabilizing as of the moment. SMPH, very good price, right? Just wait for this to bounce. Actually, buy na sa akin to eh. Ang ganda na presyo nito, 33 around. Get in this support as much as you can, but I don't really see the point why you really want to get in low. This is a blue chip. You just get in. And if it goes down, you just buy more, diba? So just get in SMPH. Napakamura ni SMPH. The current price is how much percent away? This is just 2% away from the support. Right? So, wag na kayo ma-stress, magpapastress na hindi binarat nyo kasi hindi na kayo nakapasok, right? This is already a good opportunity at this area. Don't allow it to become a missed opportunity. Pasukin nyo na yan. Wag na kayo magbarat-barat dyan. And just buy more if you want to in the future. If ever it goes down, but I don't think it will. Right? SMPH, asa na tayo? Tugs, ayan si Tugs. We talked about Tugs already. Vulcan, ayan si Vulcan. Sige. Nag-release ng disclosure si Vulcan today. So, if you wanna check that out, Vulcan, Alright? Naglabas si Vulcan ng quarterly report. So, if you wanna check this out, this is why I want you to be cautious with Vulcan. Negative ang earnings. Retained earnings is deficit. At mas malaki pa ang deficit nila ngayon. Liabilities, medyo mas malaki ang liabilities nila ngayon. Asan yun? Revenue, previous year, 1 million. Right? Current year to date, 1.5. Yes, medyo maganda dito. So, 3 months, medyo mas mababa. Right? So, konting lang kay Vul. Right? The numbers are not that beautiful. Hindi gaano maganda numbers. The climb of Vul as of the moment is because of the Converge ICT, the backdoor. So, konting ingat lang. But yeah, price action wise, to be fair with Vul, price action wise, okay naman yung price action yan, nag-green naman. But with the disclosure today, baka bumagsak ito, right? So, really hard to call. Get in near MA20 as much as you can and then use MA20 as your support if you wanna get in Vulcan, right? B-Core, ayan, si B-Core. Nag-green na si B-Core, you might wanna test out the support. So yeah, you can test out the support for B-Core. Napakamura na ni B-Core as of the moment. 1.65 pesos for a good performing company. Mura na niya ni B-Core, right? Let's wait for B-Core's numbers then for third quarter. Let's see what will happen, right? But B-Core has a very good price already. SSI, TBGI, yes, recommended TBGI yesterday. Pumula nga lang siya, but yesterday, dito naman yung presyo niya. So, umakyat siya at the opening, bumagsak at the same price. So, that's a support right there. Buy as long as the support holds for TBGI. I just removed TBGI today kasi nag-aantay ako ng green ni TBGI before I wanna recommend TBGI again. OPM, right? Si OPM, same strategy naman, right? It's either you buy it at 110 or 120 and then sell it again at 140 and then GTC strategy lang or 130. Right? Kung makapasok kayo sa 120, sell it at 130. That's instant 8% earnings if you really want to get in. OPM and OV, same with OV, right? Mag GTC lang kayo sa 110, let's sell nyo 120, minsan 130 if you wanna get in 130. Ginagawa ko dito is nag-GTC lang ako sa 110. Pag makapasok man ako, which is very hard, so that's why GTC. Pag nag-set ako nito ng 110, usually mga 1 week pa before ako makapasok. Pag nakapasok ako dyan, I'm gonna be selling half at 120. Tas tapos niyan, pag nabenta na yung 120, the other half, I'm gonna sell everything at 130. So, ilang araw din before mabenta yan. But makakabenta naman. Right? So, OV, same with OPM. Next is VLL. Gusto lang ko si OPM, mas maganda ang volume ni OPM kaya si OPM pinipili ko compared to OV. Right? VLL, shaky. We don't have any confirmation of a support area as of the moment. So iwas lang muna kay VLL, right? Let's just wait for VLL to bounce. Kamustahin natin si VLL bukas. Meg, we talked about Meg already. FB, ayan, si FB, we talked about FB yesterday. Kukunin niyo ba yung offer ni FB na 85 pesos? Mas mura pa nga ang current price ni FB ngayon, di ba? So, I don't want you guys, this is my opinion. I don't recommend buying the FOO ni FB kasi kung ito yung bibili nyo, mas mura pa tuloy, di ba? So, after the FOO kasi, why am I not recommending the FOO of FB? Because, after the FOO, stocks will be provided to the people, and more stocks will be out there. That means more supply. Mas maraming supply, and then the demand is not yet there. So, pag maraming supply, the stocks is gonna go down. If you really want to get in FB, just wait for the FOO to be released. And then, after that, more or less babagsak yan. Just check out the price action. Kung babagsak yan, edi dun kayo bibili. Di ba? Mas mura yung mabibili tuloy. So, I don't want you to be aggressive with FB. Right, it's 9:22. I'm just gonna, may oras pa naman tayo. I'll go to the comments. Rennie John Zamora, reversal na po ba? Higher low? Not really a reversal yet, but that's a good confirmation. Wala pang volume eh. We can't really tell if PSEi is on a reversal. Alright, Rene? Justin Rule, Sir Lloyd, anong stocks sa mga watches mo na possible mag-third telco? Si MRC, si PTNT actually. Gusto ko talagang bumalik na si PTNT. Right? And ISM. So, yun yung hawak ko ngayon. Raquel Pimentel, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Miss Apple and Laika, thank you so much. Good morning then. Rolando Naganhon, hi sir, what's your insight kay GFC and MBT? Definitely a buy on both, right? Especially for long term. Amancho Akas, good morning, Sir Lloyd. CHP pos. Ayan, let's talk about CHP. Right, I was kind of shaky of recommending CHP today, but CHP, look at this right here. Very good price action for CHP. We have a retracement right here. So, that's a higher low position. So, that's good for CHP. If you want to test out CHP, you can use this as your support, right? And then, secondary support is here. Medyo mura pa naman, right? So, that's okay for CHP. Price action-wise, maganda. Kaso nga lang yung earnings ni CHP, yung ayaw ko, right? So, that's why I don't really recommend it. Good morning, mentor from Chris18. Thank you so much. Good morning then, MPI. We talked about that already. Maing Buntag, Sir Lloyd and Laika. Good morning then. Apahing Lara, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Babalik pa ba ang IDC sa 5.5? That we can tell, but with the fundamentals of IDC, yes, it can. It can do that, right? So, 5.5 ba average mo? Right, so yeah, it can with the fundamentals of IDC. Medyo maganda naman yung price action niya ngayon. Even though it's red, that's a higher low position. So, that's momentum for IDC. Kaso nga lang wala pa, right? So, yeah, it has a chance to go back to 5.5. If ipit ka man, meron akong episode on what to do if hindi ka nakapag-cut loss. Look for that. Pwede mo i-apply yun. Paano mo gagawin yan? G. Rams Benedict, thank you sir. Watching here from Abu Dhabi, UAE. Good morning sa mga kapatid nating OFWs from UAE and Abu Dhabi. Ayan. FB and CPG Sir Lloyd from Crimson Natic. We talked about that already. Akashi Kushi. Yeah. Good morning. Akisha Kushi. Alright. Good morning. Rene John Zamora, ALI po, reversal din kaya, double bottom. Let's check out ALI. Uy, wow, double bottom for ALI. That's a confirmation right there. But as long as the support holds for ALI, we can't really say, but if this support holds, that's a good entry point for ALI. TJ Vlogs, which bank po mag-deposit for eToro? Right, hirap ng bank deposit kay eToro eh. I'll ask eToro to make a tutorial about that. Haven't tried kasi depositing using bank. Ang ginawa ko is credit card. Pwede kayong gumamit ng debit card for eToro. Mas madali pag ganun. Melsan, again, thank you for the super chat support. Michael Masagka, good morning Sir Lloyd, watching from Dubai, IRC and ISM. We talked about those already. Alright guys, so it's 9:25. Konting ingat lang sa market kasi I am sensing profit taking anytime soon kasi holidays, 2 araw ang holidays, 2 trading days na wala. Pasensya na if hindi ko mabasa lahat. Anyways, bukas we're gonna be talking about it more. If ever hindi ko masagot yung question nyo ngayon, join our chat room. Maraming taong gustong tumulong doon sa The Billionaires Club na chat room sa Discord. Right? So, again, workshop, if you, bullish market is coming, so equip yourselves para ma-fully take advantage ninyo yung bull market. Wag yung bull na ang market, nag-aaral pa rin kayo. Alright? So join the workshop. That will be this Friday and Saturday 8 p.m. Send me a message kung gusto nyo sumali. Right? That's it for today. Ingat sa market. Let's get rich together. Have a great day. Enjoy your Tuesday. Bye everyone.